Hey everybody, just going to show you this cool card trick, and this only involves one card, just one card, and you take the card and it starts the wobble, just moves around, and my fingers are back and it moves around. Okay, I'm going to show you this trick. You probably figured it out by now, but I'm still going to show you, like this. You just bubble around with your thumb, covering them up, and it looks like it's bubbling on its own, and using your thumbs. So, hope you like this trick, and please subscribe. I need subscribers. And my channel is Dan66Rock. I have no others. Just go to my channel and subscribe.